Student, welcome to all of you. Student, this is the lesson second, and the lesson name is The Thief's Story, written by Ruskin Bond. Ruskin Bond is a very famous author of India. In fact, he is a British descendant person, yeah, a British descendant author, and he wrote many stories about the children literatures and all. And it is, I think, this is the most interesting story that is written by him. The story, The Thief's Story. Here is a boy who is 15 years old, and he was stealing, and when he came into the contact of another person whose name is Anil, his mentality got changed, and he left his habit of stealing. So let's see what the story is about. I was still a thief when I met Anil. So the boy who was stealing, he's saying that he was still a thief, means अभी भी वो एक चोर था. When he met Anil, जब वो अनिल से मिला, and though only 15, I was an experienced and fairly successful hand, although his age was only 15 years. हालांकि उसका जो एज था वो केवल 15 साल ही का ही था, बट इन दिस शॉर्ट एज ही वॉज वेरी सक्सेसफुल इन डूइंग स्टेलिंग. लेकिन इतने कम समय में ही वो एक बहुत ही, कहा जाए कि अच्छा खासा चोर बन चुका था. एज ही मेंशनिंग है, जैसा कि उसने यहाँ बताया हुआ है. अनिल वॉज वॉचिंग ए रेसलिंग मैच वेन आई अप्रोच्ड हिम. He was about 25, a tall, kneeling fellow, and he looked easy going, kind of simple enough for my purpose. And now when he met Anil, जब वो अनिल से मिलता है, at that time Anil was watching wrestling match. उस समय अनिल was wrestling match देख रहा होता है. Anil was 25 years young man. He was tall, lean, tall, very easy going. Easy going means not strict person. Means he was very calm, cool, and very humble person, kind and simple enough. And he was very kind and simple, that he was like my purpose, as the boy mentioned. जैसा कि लड़के ने कहा है कि वो मतलब he was a kind of person by whom I can make my way, जिससे मैं अपना काम करा सकता था. I hadn't had much luck of late, and thought I might be able to get into the young man's confidence. Means Anil was that sort of person, as the boy mentioned, that by conversation him, it is not taking too much time to get him in his confidence. You look a bit a wrestler yourself. Now when I said, now the boy who is 15 years old, he raised the Anil and said to him that you are looking like a wrestler yourself. तुम खुद भी एक wrestler जैसे ही लगते हो. A little flattery help in making friends. Means a kind of praise wording sentence that helping in making friends easily. So do you, he replied. Now when the 15 years boy told this sentence, Anil replied that so do you, यानी कि तुम भी ऐसे ही लगते हो. which put me off for a moment, because at that time I was rather thin. Now the boy was feeling awkward, because at that time he was not so much healthy. In fact, he was looking so much thin. Well, I said modesty, I do wrestle a bit. Now, in a modest way, means in a humble way, he replied that yes, he also like to do some more little wrestling. What's your name? Now Anil asked the boy's name. What his name was? Hari Singh, I lied. Now the boy, he did not tell his real name. In fact, he said that his name is Hari Singh. I took a new name every month that kept me ahead of the police and my former employees. Now the boy said that every month I choose a new name, because by doing this I can keep myself away from police and the employees where I had worked. After this introduction, Ali talked about the well-oiled wrestler who were grunting, lifting, and throwing each other about. Now the conversation was going on over the wrestlers who were grunting, lifting, and throwing each other. I did not have much to say. Anil walked away. I followed it casually. Now they had not much on which they can converse all. So that's why Anil make his way. Now the boy was still following him casually. Hello again, he said. उसने फिर से बोला अनिल को हेलो. I gave him my most appealing smile. I want to work for you, I said. Now the boy is presenting a purpose, yeah, keep a purpose before the Anil, that he wanted to work with him if he want. I said, but I can't pay you. Now in return Anil said to him, Anil कहता है कि but he had not money to pay him. I thought that over for a minute, perhaps I had misjudged my man. Now the boy is thinking, who has told his name Hari Singh? Now he's thinking that this time, right now he has chosen a wrong person. But again he said, can you feed me? Now he again keep a question before the Anil that can he is able to give him food? Can you cook? Now Anil ask again a question, can you cook? Can you prepare meal? Can you prepare the food for us? I can cook, I lied again. Now the boys again lied and said that yes, he know how to cook. If you can cook, then maybe I can feed you. Now the Anil said that okay, if you are able to cook, then I am also ready to give you food. He took me to his room over the Jamna sweet shop and told me I could sleep on the balcony. Now both the boys, Anil and the 15 years boy who told his name Hari Singh, now both went to the room of the Anil's that was above the Jamna sweet shop, where Anil offered the balcony to sleep to the boys. But the meal I cooked that night must have been terrible because Anil gave it to the stray dog and told me to be off. But the dinner that was prepared by the boy of the 15 years, it was so tasteless that Anil had to give this food to the stray dog because it was tasteless, and Anil also got annoyed because he was not able to make his appetite very clearly. That's why he refused to work. He refused to allow the boy to live with him, and that's why he said to him, just get away from my room. But I just hang around. But the boy but the boy did not away from there. In fact, he was still there, smiling in my most appealing way, and he could not help laughing. And the boy was smiling in the way that the simple, easygoing person like Anil did not stop him by laughing, and he allowed the boy again to live with him. Later, he patted me on the head and said, never mind, he would teach me to cook. He also taught me to write my name and said he would soon teach me to write whole sentences and to add numbers. Now, the Anil, who is a very kind, jolly person, he said that he would teach him how to cook, and besides cooking, he also said that he would teach him how to write names and read, and after that he would teach him how to write a whole sentence and adding numbers. I was grateful. Now the boy who is who is 15 years old, he was feeling pleasure, grateful. I knew that once I could write like an educated man, there would be no limit to what I could achieve. Because as you know that the boy was doing stealing, he was a thief. Now he is he was thinking that after learning reading and writing, it would not be very tough to achieve something more, means he can do his job very easily. It was quite pleasant working for Anil. Now the boy is saying that it is very good moment, that to work with Anil was very pleasant. I made the tea in the morning and then would take my time buying the day's supplies, usually making a profit of about a rupees a day. I think he knew I made a little money that way, but he did not seem to mind. Now the boy is saying that it was his daily routine that in the morning time he prepared tea for himself and for the Anil, and after that he went to the market to buy the daily supplies. Although he saved a rupees every day, and it was his feeling that Anil is also know that he is saving money, but Anil never mind this work that was done by him. Anil made money by fits and starts. So student, here is given a proverb. Fits and start means not a very constant way. In fact, irregular. So Anil was earning money irregular, means his earnings was not regular way. He would borrow and 1 week lend the next week, means he used to borrow the money 1 week from any person, and other week he tried to pay them all. He kept worrying about his next check, although he was worrying about the next check of the amount. But as soon as it arrived, he would go out and celebrate. But as the time he got the check, he definitely went out. Used to go out and celebrate his friends and all. It seems he wrote for magazine, a queer way to make a living. It was looking that Anil's job was of writing for magazines. A queer way to make a living means a strange way of making a living. One evening he came home with a small bundle of notes saying he had just sold a book to a publisher. At night I saw him tuck the money under the mattress. So one evening, as the line had described, one evening Anil came to him with a bundle of notes and mentioned that he got this money after sold a book to a publisher, and that night he kept the money under the mattress where he used to sleep. I had been working for Anil for almost a month, and apart from cheating on the shopping, had not done anything in my line of work. So the boy who told his name Hari Singh, he is saying that he had been working with Anil for 1 month, and since then he had not did any work of his of he had not done in my lines of work, means he had not stealing anything besides the money that he used to save in the shopping. I had every opportunity for doing so, although the boy saying that he also got many opportunities of doing his way. But Anil had given me a key to the doors and I could came and go as I pleased. As Anil trusted the boy so much, that's why Anil provided him a key of his rooms and allowed him that he can come and go anytime as he wanted. He was the most trusting person I had ever met. Now the boy is praising the Anil by saying that the Anil is most trusted person he had ever met. And that is why it was so difficult to rob him, and that's why the boy was hesitant to betray him. It is easy to rob a greedy man because he can afford to be robbed. Now the boy is mentioning that to rob to betray a greedy unkind person is easy because they can afford this situation, but it is difficult to rob a careless man like Anil. But a careless very kind person like Anil, it is very difficult to rob them. Sometimes he does not even notice he is being robbed, and that takes all the pleasure out of the works. And sometimes it is showing that this kind of person as like Anil, they did not they do not care that they are being robbed. Yeah, someone is cheating with them, and that's why the pleasure of work is out of way. Well, it's time I did some real work. I told myself I am out of practice. Now, the boy who is 15 years old, after watching the money that was kept under the mattress, he was saying that this is the real टाइम ऑफ माई रियल वर्क, यानी कि मेरे काम का सही वक्त आ गया है. आई एम आउट ऑफ प्रैक्टिस बिकॉज इट हैड बीन लॉन्ग टाइम आई हैड स्टोलन, एक चोरी किए हुए बहुत लंबा समय हो गया था. दैट्स वाई आई वॉज आउट ऑफ माई प्रैक्टिस, एंड इफ आई डिड नॉट टेक द मनी ही will only waste it on his friends. Now he was thinking that if he did not take the money, this money will waste on the his friends. Now the boy was thinking यदि वो पैसे नहीं चुराएगा तो सारे पैसे अनिल अपने दोस्तों पर ही खर्च कर देगा. After all, he does not even pay me, and by the way, Anil is not paying him a single money. So student, the next paragraph we will cover in the next video. Now till then you repeat and revise this lesson. Thank you.